with me to pick up Mexican food. Got the goods. Brought my reusable bag. We got our lunch from Mexican restaurants. My son has the Mexican rice. He put the pico in it with some of this Mexican hot sauce, queso, the hot sauce right there. And he got a steak quesadilla. It's an XL steak quesadilla. That looks good. And we are about to, and this is my food. I got 3 steak tacos supreme with tomatoes, the white queso cheddar cheese on it, and sour cream with tomatoes and lettuce. So these are my 3 steak taco supremes. Looks good, smells good. And my steak tacos came with the homemade chips. I got the green salsa. And got the red salsa for my chips.